Hi guys, my name's George and today we're going to be unboxing and looking at the new 9-bot e-kick scooter ZING C20 powered by Segway. It's specially designed for children 10 years and over with smooth and safe riding in mind. It combines the power of electricity with the style of a traditional scooter. This is everything that you will find in the box. The kick scooter with the bell already attached, a thank you card, a 5mm wrench with your user manual and a battery charger. To assemble the ZING C20 is very simple as the wires from the footboard to the handlebars are already connected. All we have to do is insert the stem onto the front forks, close the quick release lever, rotate the safety clamp to lock it in place, then tighten the 2 bolts to secure the stem. The C20 is a foldable scooter. Holding the stem, rotate the safety clamp outwards and open the quick release lever. Pull the handlebars down to lock the clasp to the buckle on the rear fender. When the scooter is folded, it's easy to carry by just holding the stem. Before riding, always check the battery level. If the indicator is showing red, it means the battery is low and we need to charge the scooter. Please make sure the scooter is turned off before and during charging. The charging port is at the base of the stem. While charging, the light on the back of the charger will show red. Once it's fully charged, it will turn green. Please make sure that children do not touch the charging device. Along with a flashing light and a warning sound, the speed of the C20 will be limited to 3.1 miles per hour until it's been fully activated. To activate the scooter, we can simply use our phone to scan the QR code on the handlebars, complete the video tutorial to proceed with the activation, turn the scooter on, and hold the throttle while squeezing the brake for 5 seconds until you hear the beep, which means the activation has been successful. There are 3 riding modes with the C20: safe mode, cruise mode, and turbo mode. When you start riding the activated scooter for the first time, the speed is capped at 6.2 miles per hour for the first 0.6 miles. After you've completed 0.6 miles, we can press the power button to switch riding modes. When the scooter is turned on, it defaults to turbo mode with a top speed of 12.4 miles per hour. Press the power button again to switch to cruise mode, followed by 2 beeps. In cruise mode, the speed you kick is maintained by the scooter. If you go over 12.4 miles per hour, the scooter will automatically decelerate back down to its top speed. Press the power button again to switch to safe mode and hear 3 beeps, where the speed is capped at 6.2 miles per hour. For safety purposes, always wear a helmet and protective gear while riding. Please do not perform any stunts of any kind. Both tires must remain on the ground at all times. When passing manhole covers, speed bumps, steps, potholes and other obstacles, you will need to dismount. If you have any further questions, please contact the information listed on the screen and our technical support team will be happy to assist.